Hello everyone, my name is Carlos and I hope you are doing quite well today. This is yet another report from the Scholars Sports Desk, where we keep you up to date around the world of Scholars Athletics and Sports. My name is Carlos and here's what will be on the lineup from October 20th to October 26th. Varsity Cross Country has meets at Cunningham Park this Monday and Tuesday, but more importantly, they have Queensboro Championships this Saturday at Van Cortlandt Park in the Bronx, with the top performing runners on Saturday receiving medals. Up next, we have two varsity girls volleyball home games on Monday and Wednesday at 4:30 and 5:30 respectively. Both games will be live streamed for you to watch on our YouTube channel, so be sure to check them out. Now let's go ahead and push this information to the side and talk about middle school. A girls volleyball game has been scheduled for October 22nd, starting at 10 a.m. It will be their first game of the season, so please show them your support if you can. And now, make sure to keep up to date with the latest information regarding all things Scholars Sports by subscribing to our YouTube channel at The Scholars NYC. Check out psal.org and our calendar under our landing page at scholarsnyc.com so you don't miss out on an opportunity to know when things are happening with Scholars Sports throughout the season. And that's it for the sports report for this week. I'm Carlos, and I'll see you next time.